Welcome to HM Maths for Graduates. Today we will discuss sequence of real number. Okay, so these are the topics that I will discuss today: definition of sequence, bounded sequence, and then monotonic sequence. Okay, so let us start with definition of sequence. Okay, so according to the definition, a function whose domain is the set of natural number and range is a set of real number. Okay, then that function is known as sequence. Okay, so suppose I call that function as an. Okay, so an is a function from set of natural number to set of real number. Okay, then that function is known as sequence. Okay, if range is a set of complex number, then it is called sequence of complex number. Okay, simple. Sequence is popularly denoted by arrow bracket an. Okay, arrow bracket an. For example, an equals to n. Okay, and second example, an equals to 1 over n. Okay, for the first sequence can be obtained by simply putting the values of n. N is what? N is natural number. Okay, so putting n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and sequence will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, and similarly for the second sequence. Okay, so on putting the value of n, we have 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4 and so on. Okay, so this is the sequence for second sequence. Okay, now let us see the definition of bounded sequence. Okay, a sequence an is said to be bounded if it is bounded above and bounded below. Okay, sequence is bounded above if there exists real capital M. Okay, M is a real number. Okay, such that every term of sequence is less than or equals to M, that is an is less than equals to capital M for all n belongs to natural number. Okay, and it is bounded below if there exists a small real m such that every term of sequence is greater than or equals to small m, that is an is greater than equals to small m for all n belongs to natural number. Okay, now let us see an example for the bounded sequence. Okay, so example is 1 over n. Okay, this sequence is bounded below by 0 and bounded above by 1. Okay, this sequence is bounded below by 0 and bounded above by 1. Okay, why so? To understand this better, let us see the graphical representation of this sequence. Okay, here horizontal axis represents natural number and vertical axis represents real number. Okay, and sequence is 1 over n. Okay, when I put n equals to 1, we get 1. On putting n equals to 2, we have 1 over 2. Okay, on putting n equals to 3, we have 1 over 3. Okay, as we keep on putting the values of n, we get a sequence like this. Okay, and it will always remain between 0 and 1. Okay, hence it is bounded below by 0 and bounded above by 1. Okay, now let us see the definition of monotonic sequence. Okay, definition is a sequence is said to be monotonic if it is either monotonic increasing or monotonic decreasing. Okay, a sequence is monotonic increasing if an is less than equals to an plus 1 for all n belongs to natural number. Okay, that is a1 is less than equals to a2 less than equals to a3 less than equals to a4 and so on. Okay, and a sequence is monotonic decreasing if an is greater than equals to an plus 1 for all n belongs to natural number. Okay, that means a1 is greater than equals to a2 greater than equals to a3 greater than equals to a4 and so on. Okay, a sequence cannot be monotonic increasing and monotonic decreasing at the same time. Okay, now let us see some example to make this concept more clear. We have two sequences here. We have to verify which one is monotonic increasing and which one is monotonic decreasing. Okay, for this let me tell you a key point. If an plus 1 minus an is positive, then sequence is monotonic increasing. Okay, and if an plus 1 minus an is negative, then sequence is monotonic decreasing. Okay, now let's find out. In first example we have an equals to n over n plus 1. Okay, so an plus 1 will be n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and this equals to n plus 1 over n plus 2. Okay, now let us find an plus 1 minus an. Okay, so it will be n plus 1 over n plus 2 minus n over n plus 1. Okay, just simplify. So it will be n plus 1 whole square minus n into n plus 2 over n plus 2 into n plus 1. Okay, now simplifying the numerator, it will be n square plus 2n plus 1 minus n square minus 2n. Okay, and in denominator we have n plus 2 into n plus 1. Okay, so this n square minus n square will be cancelled out, this 2n and minus 2n will be cancelled out. Now we are left with 2n over n plus 2 into n plus 1. Okay, and in LHS we have an plus 1 minus an. Okay, and here n is natural number. Okay, so this RHS will always be positive. Okay, hence an plus 1 minus an will always be positive. Okay, so this implies this sequence an is monotonic increasing. Okay, now let us see second example. In second example an is 1 over n. Okay, so an plus 1 will be 1 over n plus 1. Okay, now let us find an plus 1 minus an. Okay, so this will be 1 over n plus 1 minus 1 over n. Okay, now simplifying, this will be n minus 1 over n into n plus 1. Okay, so in numerator n minus n will be cancelled out and we are left with minus 1 over n into n plus 1. Okay, and this is what? This is negative. Okay, so an plus 1 minus an will be negative. Okay, hence sequence an is monotonic decreasing. Okay, so this is the end of the video. In the next video we will discuss limit point of a sequence and we will also see proof of very famous theorem called Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem. Okay, so if you don't want to miss that video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, thanks for watching.